We have added white labeling to the report downloads that brokers can provide to employers now when they go out and meet with them. So the white labeling will allow you to, when you download a PDF report or an Excel document, to include your agency's logo and your brand colors as well as agency information on those reports. There's two parts to that. There's one is the setup, and then the second part is I'll show you some examples of some reports. But the setup is simple. We can do this from any link. We just from here from the navigation bar, you're going to click on the user profile icon right here. This is DB for Demo Broker, and we have the settings menu here. So we're going to click on settings, and settings has two parts to it. We have the agency info. This is where you can update the agency name. This is a demo account, so we gave it a silly name so that it wouldn't be confused with a real brokerage. So it's Big Turkey Benefits. You can update the information here. And then we have the report branding. And there's three parts to the report branding. You can upload a logo. I had Claude make us a logo, so we'll upload that. Right here I have Big Turkey Benefits, and there's the logo that we had made. And then we can add colors. So the colors we have are 1874F and then 2F, 8F, 5B. So these are just the standard hex codes that you would use in any kind of a style guide that your agency might have gotten from a marketing agency. And then you have the report details. So you can decide whether you want the agency name displayed. That would be the agency name and agency info. Whether you want the agency's address listed and the agency's website. And you just check yes or no. And then we hit save. Now that information has been saved. So there's the first step. We've now set up our white labeling. We can now go into quoting, and I'm going to grab, we'll use test employer here. And we'll go with their 2026 renewal. You can see we've got an ICHRA quote here and a fully insured quote. We'll go ahead and start with the fully insured example, and it's loading the quotes here right now. Just a moment, and you can see we've got the Excel document here. So I'll download a copy of that. So this would be an example of that. You've got the agency information here. You've got the logo here. You've also got it on the raw data layout. And then in some of the PDF reports, if we come over here to selection, we've got, I've already got some saved quotes in here. We can click on the report builder, and we have the PDF report here. And you can see you've got the logo here, you've got the Big Turkey Benefits, you've got the agency information, address, and website down here. And then we have the Excel document as well. Sometimes we need to expand row 2 just to get it all in there. So you've got the agency branding there. So we're using the colors and the agency logo as well as the agency information in the reports. And then finally, I'll just show you an ICHRA example here. Let's come over here to the ICHRA quote. It's running those quotes right now. Just a moment. So we have the first example here with the PDF. So again, agency logo, agency information. And then if we come over here to our market reports, click the PDF there. You can see the examples of the agency branding and agency information there. So white labeling has been added. You can now share your agency information. The one thing that's important to stress here is that at BenefitSystemsOS, we don't force our branding onto your reports. So you'll notice that there's no powered by, or there's no place where we try to sneak our logo onto these reports. This is your report to go out to your clients. It's going to have your identity on there, your information. We're out of the loop. We're supporting you.